right? It's nice and fresh. And this little monkey decides to go in it. And her bed is right there. Yo, oi, don't you even think about it. Get out of here. Dizzy, out. Dizzy, get out of my fresh laundry. Don't think about it. Yeah, don't you encouraged it. Ruby? Hey, you two? No. Come on, out. Off ski, off. You little monkeys. Don't even think about it. I'm watching you. Go away. Excuse me? Out. Sorry this clip was so dark. I was just up here. I was looking out the window to see if it was really like stormy. It turns out that it is. It's very stormy. The wind is like 22 miles per hour and it's very windy, so I think we're just going to stay at home today, which is annoying because I kind of really wanted to go out for a walk today, but what can you do when the weather's bad?
Mr. Trevanion, call me Danny.
But you are Mr. Trevanion.
Well, yes, I am.
Emma, stay right here.
Current situation. Ruby is currently watching Old Heart over there. And yeah, current situation.
Miranda. Sounds like a pretty good name to me.
Excuse me, does my legs look like a seat to you? Oh well, I'll just enjoy this with broken legs. You're running the duck. Oh my god. I just looked at my clip back. Oh my god, I'm crying. Oh my god, it's just how she like runs over. And then she just disappeared. Oh my god. Never a dull moment. Oh. Is he alright over there? Favorite dog smoking. Is it stuck in your mouth? Hey, let me help you. Let me help you.
Girly boy, Emma.
I get the toy.
When
Get
we
it.
all moved in together, I gave you my word that I'd look after you, that I'd try
I
and
risked
treat
my
you
life
like
for that shot. I hope you appreciate that.
Me. You take my tranquilizer rifle.
This monkey, he's pouncing out at me from here. Little monkey. Yeah. See you behind me. Wait for it. Ah, get it. She's waiting for me. Look at her. Boo! 5 hours later, still watching the same old program.
Looks like Duplessis just found himself a new.
We've watched this now twice.
There's no reason she.
Twice. Twice.
She's dead.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down the boulevard at night, playing Coldplay on doesn't even matter to me where I go. I just feel I need to take a ride. Got my coffee cup to go, and I'm gonna hit the road tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. Turning up the stereo in a place I didn't know till now. In a different part of town, I see new colors as the sun goes down.
Everyone, and welcome to Monday. So I thought I'd do a little Q&A because I think this vlog is pretty short. So bear with the appearance. I've just had a shower, and I just thought I'd quickly do this whilst I was in the middle of editing before I forgot to do it. So yeah, I've only got a few questions. So the first question is from Lulu Beaverful, and she asks, what camera do I use? I use a Canon G7X Mark II, and sometimes I use a Canon 4000D for like montage shots or like taking pictures and stuff like that. I also use like a DJI Spark to do like cool drone shots and stuff, so that's just some of the cameras I use. I used to use like a GoPro Hero 4 for like my cycling and stuff, so if you ever see GoPro footage, that's typically the GoPro I use. Next question is from I am Arthur Sani. I think I got that right, or maybe wrong, I don't know. Let me know. His question was, what was the best thing that happened to you today? Probably the best thing that's happened to me today was that today's the first day in the whole of this week that I felt normal again. I've had like a really bad week of anxiety, and hence why this vlog is kind of all over the place, because I just kind of got really down and I just didn't want to vlog, and yeah, hence why it's all over the place, and it's mainly the dogs being silly that's in the vlog. So yeah, I only really got 2 questions. The rest of the questions were just people doing waving emojis and kind of asking me to look at their profile and stuff like that. So that's pretty much, yeah, all that really happened with that Q&A. But yeah, if you guys ever have any questions, put them in the comments. Hopefully the comments are on this vlog. Last week they weren't, and I'm thinking it was because Logan was in the vlog, but what I'm going to do is when Logan's in the vlogs, I'm just going to keep them like off, because he's a kid, and you know, some people can be a little bit, but when it's just me and the dogs, I'll try and switch them back on, and hopefully YouTube doesn't, like, you know, get annoyed at me for that. But yeah, so yeah, I think I'm going to end this vlog here. I'm sorry it's all over the place and it's a little bit crazy, but I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, give it a thumbs up, leave a little comment if you can. If not, go on to my Instagram or my Facebook and just leave a comment there on one of the recent posts. And yeah, subscribe. I'm really close to 500, so it'd be really cool if you did that. That would really, really help, and it would make my day. And yeah, I will see you guys next Sunday, hopefully, with another vlog. Goodbye.